Hello you guys, and welcome to my page. I will be showing you guys how to install a full frontal lace wig over some knotless braids. Basically, I did not have enough time to take out my braids, and I ended up having a Zoom meeting that I wanted to sort of look different for, because these braids were looking a little old, you guys. At this point, these braids are a month old. So right here, you guys can see me splitting my hair into two, and doing two pigtails like this made it really easy to sort of get a flat look. And I brought everything around, and I used a bobby pin to secure that style. Moving forward, I went ahead and used a regular wig cap. I like this color because it's nude for me. I also used some alcohol to clean off my forehead, which is going to be the surface. Here is the wig, and I wanted to just place it a little bit on my head to see where it was going to go before I laid it down with my bold hole. So I'm using the bold hole gold, and I love this because it's so easy to take off. It's not anything that holds too long. It holds really well, but you don't have to worry about the permanence of glue. So I really enjoyed it. I used warm air, and that created a tacky sort of feel, and that is where you guys can see I was able to get the wig sort of tacked on my forehead. I went ahead and did the same thing on the sides, and I used the back end of a tail comb because it's really helpful in flattening out the area that you need to lay down. I went ahead and wrapped everything with a silk scarf, and I'm just trying to get my ears from underneath that head tie, and I'm gonna move on to some very, very basic makeup, you guys. I mean, I'm gonna be on Zoom, so I kind of didn't really care to do a full beat, and my skin has not been in the best condition to be doing like anything too crazy. I wanted to even out my skin a little bit, so I went ahead and used some foundation, but you guys can see right here I just used some setting powder, and I also like to use setting powder over my concealer. I use a darker color because it sort of helps to correct anything that looks a little too light. I'm moving back towards my wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara because I forgot to do that. Just a little bit. And I also add blush. Black girls do wear blush, you guys. I'm learning, so don't mind my chaos. Moving on with some leave-in and water just to set the wig in the style that I want. I ended up going with a C part, and I just applied more water and leave-in to sort of bring out the curls. I wanted to finish up the look with some brown liner and a brown lip gloss, and yeah, we are just about done, except I wanted to sort of blend that lace some more, so I just used some Fenty Beauty powder foundation, and we are at the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.